Are you struggling to visualize and explore stock data interactively in your Angular applications? Meet Syncfusion's Angular Stock Chart, a powerful, easy-to-use component that helps you track stock prices over time. With rich features and smooth interactivity, it turns raw data into smart, actionable insights. First, choose the chart type that fits your analysis. Use Line and Spline for smooth trend tracking. HiLo and HiLoOpenClose to highlight price ranges. Candle for detailed trading patterns, and HoloCandle to identify trend changes via close price relationships. Want to track multiple stocks together? You can easily plot multiple series in one chart for quick comparison, and switch series types with a simple period selector. Connecting your data is a breeze, whether it's local data or remote data like web APIs. OData, Entity Framework. The chart integrates seamlessly to keep things simple. You have full control over your chart axes. Choose the axis type that fits your data. Date time for time-based values. Date time category to show only business days. Or logarithmic for large magnitude values. Make your chart easy to understand by adding titles to the chart and axes. You can style them to match your design, change the font, color, and size to keep things clean. Tick marks are easy to customize too. Adjust their size, color, and thickness. And for a polished look, you can style the grid lines, change their thickness, color, or even add dash patterns. Need more flexibility? Add multiple axes and link your data series to the right one. Great for showing different data types together. Want to flip the axis direction? You can reverse it so the highest values appear near the origin, or move the axis to the opposite side of the chart to better fit your layout. Make your stock charts smarter with indicators and trend lines. Want to dive deeper into market trends? Use technical indicators to study past movements and identify what's coming next. You've got plenty to choose from. Track price and volume with accumulation distribution, measure volatility with average true range, and spot trend directions using moving averages like EMA, SMA, or even TMA. Need to know how fast prices are changing? Momentum shows that. For more insights, use MACD to compare moving averages, RSI to check the strength of a stock's movement, and Stochastic to see how current prices stack up against previous ones. Bollinger Bands are great for spotting price limits. Need to forecast? Add trend lines to show future direction. You can choose from 6 types: linear for a straight path, logarithmic for fast-changing data that levels off, exponential for rising or falling rates, polynomial for fluctuating patterns, power for specific rate increases, and moving average to smooth out the ups and downs. You also can customize trend lines by changing fill color and width. Want to highlight key areas on your chart? Use plot bands to draw attention to specific regions with custom colors, text, and patterns. It's a great way to guide your viewers and make your chart more insightful. Legends help users identify each series in your chart. You can place them at the top, bottom, left, right, or even inside the chart. On smaller screens, items wrap neatly, and you can customize both text and icons. You can reverse the item order. Choose whether clicking a legend hides the series, show or hide the entire legend, and even hide specific items when needed. The Angular Stock Chart comes with powerful interactive tools to make exploring data easy. You can zoom in using selection, mouse wheel, or pinch gestures on touch devices, either horizontally, vertically, or both. A toolbar pops up with options like zoom in, zoom out, pan, and reset. Users can move through data using pan option without affecting zoom. Crosshairs show exact values as users move across the chart. You can snap to the nearest point, show axis tooltips, and style the lines and labels. Tooltips give detailed info when hovering over data points. You can format them, style them, and even make them follow the mouse. For more precision, Add a trackball to highlight the closest point with a marker and tooltip. To make time-based data easier to explore, use the period selector. It lets users pick from predefined ranges like 1 month or 3 months. You can customize the intervals and show or hide the selector as needed. Want more control? The range selector lets users drag to select a date range or use a date picker. It's all about making your chart more interactive and user-friendly. Styling your Angular stock chart is easy. Choose from built-in themes like Material, Bootstrap, Fluent, and more. Need the chart to fit perfectly? Set its size using CSS or define exact dimensions. It'll render beautifully in any container. Need to share your charts? You can easily export or print them to Excel, CSV, images, or PDF. The component also supports localization, globalization, and right-to-left languages, so it fits any audience. Plus, the adaptive layout makes sure your charts look great across all devices, from desktops to mobile. It's also built with accessibility in mind, fully keyboard-friendly, screen reader compatible, and compliant with YARIA standards, making your charts usable for everyone. Ready to turn stock data into insights that matter? Try Syncfusion's Angular Stock Chart and make smarter financial decisions with powerful interactive visuals.